Welcome everybody to Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. I'm Tamara, and we're going to do another Southwest dish today in our Dutch oven. Okay, and I'm going to do my version of Chile Verde. And what I've done earlier is brown about 2 pounds of pork roast with onions and garlic, and I put them into our Dutch oven. And then I have diced up 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and about a cup to a cup and a half of cilantro, fresh cilantro. We're going to put this in with our meat mixture. I love cilantro. Cilantro goes with Southwest, anything Mexican. And boy, does it smell good. Some people love cilantro and some people don't. And I have to brag on the peppers. Look at these beautiful peppers. Look at the size of this one. We get this down here at the local farmer's market. And now I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes. I like the fire roasted ones. We're going to add that. We're going to add a can of Rotella tomatoes. This one has got cilantro and lime in it. You can get that, or you can just get the Rotella ones. And they do have green chilies in them, but we like to add a little bit more. So I'm going to add a can of diced green chilies. There we go. And what I've done here is I've already measured it, but there's a tablespoon of, we like the chipotle, smoked chipotle seasoning. And it's got a smoky flavor to it. I added some of the chili powder, 1 teaspoon of that, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And we're going to add that to this. Mix it up well. And then we're going to take it out and cook it over our briquettes. And we're going to cook that at 350 for about 2 hours. We want this to cook down and simmer down so there isn't much liquid left in it, because we love to serve it over flour tortillas. So we'll get this all put together here, and we'll meet you outside in a little bit with our briquettes. Thank you. Okay, we got our briquettes going, and we are going to go for 350 degrees. We've got 10 on the bottom, and there'll be 12 on top. And as you know, we're going to keep checking these and keep adding, because we want to keep it at a 350 degree temperature, and we're going to check this in about 2 hours. So we'll see you in a couple hours. Thank you. Well, we're here sunbathing. We're thinking about Yuma, how wonderful it is. It's 70 degrees here. Life is so good. Of course, my husband's got his beer. Pretty soon he'll be bringing me a glass of wine. At home, it's 0 up in Wyoming and snowing. My goodness, we're glad we're here. And we can smell our dinner cooking. Life is good, no complaints.
Yes, dear, this is the life. Summers in Wyoming, winters in Arizona.
Okay, as you can see, what we've done is crack the lid on this, because we want it to simmer down and get rid of some of the fluid so we can put it on our flour or corn tortilla shells. So what we've done, we've cracked the lid, we're keeping the temperature up, and now we'll reduce the liquid. Okay, it's been 2 hours, we're gonna check it. It's what we can smell, it smells awesome. Oh my, it's perfect. What we did earlier is we cracked the lid so we could simmer it down and get some of the juices simmered down. And boy, if you could have smell-o-vision, it is awesome. You will definitely try this recipe. All right, we'll see you in the house, and we'll get this all ready for you. And you're gonna be ready to eat soon. Okay, great, we are done. It cooked to perfection. I put it on our flour tortilla. You can either use flour or corn. And we've even had it on rice. It's whatever you prefer. But today we're having it on a flour tortilla. And what I'm gonna do is I have grated some mozzarella cheese along with the Mexican cheese. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of finely shredded red cabbage. course, this is going to be way too big to roll up. I can hear my husband complaining right now. And also, we always put a little dollop of sour cream. And then, of course, we put a squeeze of lime. And oh my goodness, if you could only smell this, it is absolutely awesome. Of course, the lime is squirting all over me, but you know, that's what happens. We hope you guys enjoy this. And if you want to, if you like beer or wine, but really with a dish like this, a Mexican beer like Corona or Pacifica is awesome with this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you guys. We hope you love this. We certainly will love it later. And of course, we need to invite our family and friends because this does create a pretty big pot. We'll see you in the near future, probably next weekend. We're going to try to gear down on some desserts, some Southwest desserts while we're down here. So we'll see you next weekend. Enjoy your evening. Good night.